just showing you how to download or share an infographic. So this was just an example of one that I did a long time ago, and is still in flux, so it's not completed. However, if I wanted to download it and attach it as a file, I can hit download. I'm going to select PNG because I find that's one of the best ways. Sometimes the default is normal quality. I'm going to click it on as high. I want it all as one poster, not as the separate blocks. So I can download it as PNG to my computer. So while it's generating that, it will come up with a file that it saves to my computer. I'm just going to hit cancel because that's how it works. And then you can save that to your computer and then upload it into the assignment hand-in box. The other way to do it, you did it perfectly in that you put it in a Google Doc, but unfortunately, I was unable to open the link. This is what happened. So what I think you need to do is when you go to share, it should look like this. Maybe you just press copy. We're going to make it public so that anyone with the link can view. And then I had to name it because I actually didn't have a name on it. And then it came up with this. So that if somebody has that link, so if you were to hand it in on a Google Doc again, that you should be able to look at it like that. Now yours looked like a very similar link. So maybe it was just that you didn't click that make it public, that you just had the link. So those would be my suggestions in terms of looking at your Piktochart so that I can actually give you feedback on it.